Whoa, that was pretty rough. But guys, you're watching Octane Garage. We got the belt. This is our Terrapro. This is the only four-wheeler ever made that has a PTO. If you haven't seen our other videos on it, you might want to check them out. I gotta shut this gas off or it's gonna leak all over. Today, what we're gonna do is finally get this mower to maybe see if it'll actually mow. In our last video, we hooked it up and it kept throwing the belt off.
The belt came right off.
Now we've got a new belt, we're gonna throw it on. Problem is we have snow on the ground. So what are we gonna do? We're gonna do the right thing and just fire the mower up right in the pole barn. So stay tuned. I got it all unhooked. We're gonna get it back here. Holy cow. We're gonna get it back here. Let me try it again. This thing's heavy, guys. This mower, I'll tell you what, they built this. It's seriously heavy. If you watched my last video, you saw me flip it over to work on it. And it wasn't easy, I'm not playing. Okay, so let me show you what we got here. Here's our situation. This belt keeps flying off because it's all, you see how mangled it is. I'm hoping I ordered the right belt. And I don't know where our cover went that has the diagram on it. So we're just gonna wing it. And hopefully we can figure out how it goes on. I think we're in the ballpark. I don't know.
That's it?
No, just keep going, all right? So, first thing we gotta do, it's gotta go through here. I know that. Okay, it's gotta go through here. It's gotta go around this thing. And there's a little pin that's gotta go back in here. Okay. Yes, that's a big sigh of relief. We got it on there. You gotta have a 360 twist here. You have to have a twist here. According to the diagram we have, which I do show in the other video. I don't happen to have it here right now. But we got it on. It was a struggle to figure out how this goes exactly. Now what we're gonna do, we're gonna put it on the mower and we're gonna see if we can fire it up in here and see if the belt will stay on this time. If you remember from the last video, the minute we turned it on, it didn't even make a full rotation before that belt flew off. And we've never had all three blades on it before, and we do now. So we're gonna fire it up. Let's see what happens. Can I do this? Yeah, I can do this without moving, right?
Yeah, you can do it in neutral.
All right. Okay, we're hooked back up. That's exciting. It's exciting to me. It should be exciting to you too. Hopefully this belt will stay on now. If it doesn't, then somebody put in the comments what size belt I need, would you? Let's give it a try. It's been a minute since I've done this. I gotta remember how to do it.
Wait, let me get in the right spot.
You gotta get her in neutral first. I know that much. Turn the gas on. Okay, so it didn't stay running, but I had the gas off, so maybe, I don't know. Like the little choke valve. Alright, let's give her a shot.
Okay.
Oh, I'm in high. Guys, if you're in high gear, you cannot run the PTO. Gotta be in low. Whether you're in neutral or not, doesn't matter. It doesn't care. Let's try it again. You guys probably can't hear me, I'm yelling. I'm gonna call that a win. The belt stayed on way longer than it did last time. Now all we need is some fresh grass and a land to mow. We have the land to mow, we just need a little bit of grass.
We have grass.
Oh yeah, we have grass.
Too much of it.
Too much of it. Okay guys, we lost our snow. We're gonna give this thing a try and see if it'll mow with the new belt. I'm hopeful. That did fairly well for some really tall grass. I like this thing. It's a kind of a slow roll. I was in first gear. You can also mow in second. I haven't really tried that yet, but we'll give that a try. So far so good. The belt's been staying on. This thing does not bog down. It just goes and goes and goes. So thanks for watching, everybody. If you watched this long, we really appreciate it. If you haven't checked the other videos out we have, go ahead and do so. If you like fast cars and fun stuff, you're going to enjoy our videos. Thanks for watching.